Kia ora tātou kātou toi te roa mātou te tō. The CIIC Seabed Resources Limited is a joint venture company focused on responsible exploration and exploitation activities of the deep sea for polymetallic nodules located in the international waters of ISA, Cook Islands, which is a licensed area of the CCZ, and Cook Islands EEZ, which is a reserved area. Our joint venture partners are GSR, Cook Islands, and Cook Islands Investment Corporation. GSR Cook Islands is a subsidiary company to Global Sea Mineral Resources, who are the deep sea exploratory division of the Deming Group, which are world leaders in dredging, marine engineering, and environmental remediation. CIIC SR's statement of corporate intent for the next 3 years acts as the guiding document that sets our intentions for carrying out our role and responsibilities to best meet the needs of the joint venture company and the people of the Cook Islands. Our vision guides our statement of corporate intent, and that is the exploration and harvesting of deep sea minerals, polymetallic nodules, which are within the Cook Islands claimed area of the CCZ, international waters, and within agreed areas of the Cook Islands EEZ, acting in an environmentally responsible manner where this creates a transformational shift to the Cook Islands economy with sustainable returns to all shareholders. Our 6 mission statements have been developed to guide the organization from a strategic perspective to achieve the vision. The organization is committed to acting in the best interest of the Cook Islands, investing, training and developing Cook Island staff, acting in an environmentally and socially responsible way, the use of innovative technologies, long-term sustainable returns, and contribution to the Cook Islands government priorities. Our goal is to use the best available techniques and the highest scientific standards, aiming to be a global leader in the responsible exploration and exploitation of polymetallic nodules, contributing of course to the sustainable development of the Cook Islands.